What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol ORGN for Origin Materials. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. We have not covered this one yet on the channel, so what we're going to do is create a quick roadmap from the daily perspective, then we'll drill down to the 30-minute and talk some more nuance. So this is jumping off the page at me as prior resistance, then turning to support here. Certainly an area of resistance overhead in this general area, kind of a floor from back in here, and then of course this double bottom low is up next, or sort of way down there as a line in the sand. To the upside, what else are we seeing as resistance? Certainly this in here, just barely overhead, and then really after that, it's this breakdown point from in here around 932. So that's a quick roadmap from the daily. Let's take a look at the 30-minute now, see if these levels are working. Are they not? I would argue, yeah, they're pretty good, right? You can see from in here that is holding. So as the pattern and as this chart is currently developing, we're looking to see if this double bottom, right, from the daily, this certainly is double bottom 1 and 2. Here's your neckline. We're trying to resolve that neckline to the upside, right? So I would say as long as we can remain above this number here at $7.45, then things can remain bullish. And you can also see how intraday here we get a touch as support, and technically, you know, if you want to get real nuance with me, you could call this here an inverted head and shoulders, right? And we're looking for the break of this neckline now to take us higher into some of those daily targets as discussed, 832 and then 932 up above that, noting that the green line here, the 200 SMA, will coincide eventually there for a super resistance. So just be aware of that. If there is any sort of major break to the upside, that would really be a tough area to break on the first touch, in my opinion. So the chart does look bullish. We are in a new uptrend here. You can certainly see that we have a low, higher low, and now we've certainly made a higher high. So right, this is the high, and now we certainly have higher highs in here. So we are looking for trend continuation, more moves to the upside, but it's really going to rely on remaining above that $7.45 mark. To the downside, as you know, and as we mapped out from the daily perspective, support underneath on any sort of break here is at $7.10. Probably wouldn't look to go long at that point. Would really probably place more emphasis on the daily 50 SMA and potentially a pullback into the 664 area if we start printing hammers from the daily perspective there. Any sort of indecision dojis, basically anything that would make you question, is this pullback here coming to an end? Can we flip long over the highs and then get back up into some of those targets? That's how I would anticipate playing the potential breakdown, again, stemming from that $7.45 mark. We know the breakout area, and things are all good here inside of Origin. So those are my thoughts. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, certainly let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.